Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews on the latest gadgets and gizmos. Today, we're diving into the world of mechanical keyboards, specifically the Pauroty 60% wireless mechanical keyboard. And let me tell you, folks, this isn't just any keyboard. It's the best Bluetooth mechanical keyboard for iPad available in the market right now. So, what makes the Pauroty 60% stand out from the crowd? Well, let's start with its versatility. This keyboard offers triple-mode connectivity, allowing you to connect wirelessly via Bluetooth or 2.4G USB receiver. Or go old school with a wired connection using the Type-C cable. Whether you're working on your iPad, Mac, PC, or even Xbox, this keyboard has you covered. But perhaps one of the most impressive features of this keyboard is its ultra-compact design. By eliminating the numeric keypad, function key row, and navigation cluster, the Pauroty 60% saves valuable desk space, making it perfect for cramped workstations or on-the-go use. Plus, it easily slips into your backpack for ultimate portability. Now, let's talk aesthetics. With 16 RGB backlight modes, 8 color choices, and 6 brightness levels, this keyboard isn't just functional, it's a feast for the eyes. Whether you're gaming late into the night or working on a project, you can customize the lighting to suit your mood and style. But don't let its compact size fool you. This keyboard packs a punch when it comes to performance. Featuring classic blue switches, the Pauroty 60% delivers rapid response, zero latency, and satisfying tactile feedback with each keystroke. Whether you're typing up a document or dominating the battlefield, you'll feel every key press. And let's not forget about battery life. With a built-in 1600 mAh rechargeable battery, this keyboard offers up to 360 hours of standby time and over 10 hours of continuous usage on a single charge. Plus, it includes a power switch and 10-minute sleep mode to conserve energy when not in use. In conclusion, the Pauroty 60% wireless mechanical keyboard is not only the best Bluetooth mechanical keyboard for iPad, it's a game changer for anyone in need of a compact, versatile, and stylish keyboard. Whether you're a professional on the go or a hardcore gamer, this keyboard has everything you need and more. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews like this. Until next time, happy typing!